Yo, what's going on YouTube? Technically T, man, bringing you another case video today, man. But we have the ZeroLemon 5000 milliamp hour battery case for the iPhone XR. Now, I do want to give a huge shout out to ZeroLemon for dropping me this case to review. Now, I know you're looking like, yo, where's the packaging? I've been using this bad boy. That's why there is no packaging with it, man. You can't do a battery case review without actually putting that usage in. So here it is, man. ZeroLemon. If you don't know who they are, man, definitely check them out. They have been doing this for a very, very long time when it comes to the battery cases, and they have actually got it right, man. This case is legit and it feels good. So let's go ahead and take a look around it, man. On the right side, you get that raised power button. On the left side, volume up, volume down, cutout for your mute toggle. Flipping it over on the back, you get the cutout for your camera. And you already know battery cases, you're gonna be, she getting thick. She thick back there. So you got the battery cases, man. You got the extra battery on the back. That provides the thickness. But when you're running this case, you're not really worried about how thick the case is. This case is to do one job, basically two jobs, to protect your phone and also give you a charge when you get low, man. Nice ZeroLemon branding down there on the back. You get a nice rubberized material. You get your power button. You get your 4 indicator lights down below, man. Now 0 through 25 is the first one, 25 to 50, 50 to 75, 75 to 100 on the fourth. Flipping it over on the bottom, you get your cutouts for your speakers and you get the port where you actually charge the phone and the case up. So let's go ahead and pop this in. Now this can be a little tricky, but the way I go at it is you make sure it's slid in there and then you want to pop the sides on, boom and boom. So here is the actual case installed on the iPhone XR. Now, yes, it does feel thick. Yes, it is thick in your hands, but we're not going to worry about that. Let's go ahead and go through this case just like anything else. So on that right side, your power button, very nice and tactile. No issue. Volume up, volume down. Very nice and tactile, as you can hear. Mute toggle switch right there, not bad to get to. Flipping over on the bottom, all of your cutouts are spot on, so all your speaker and everything is good. And flipping it over on the back, you do get that cutout for that camera. Everything is spot on there. Now let's take a look at the lay on the table protection. Now, I do have a tempered glass screen protector up here, but it doesn't offer a ton of lay on table protection, but you do get a little lip on the bottom. And you get a little lip on the top, and on the sides, there's a little lip. So I think if you did drop it, I feel like it could protect you in the case of an emergency if you did drop it. But just know this case is not really made to be heavy duty, man. Once again, it serves a purpose when it comes to this case. How does it actually fit on your phone? Now, here is where ZeroLemon has made strides, because their cases back in the day, man, to my opinion, just did not fit good. But I'm here to tell you, man, this case fits very good. Now, it may look like I'm pulling this apart very easy, but I'm here to tell you, the bottom you can't pull apart at all. That's hard down there. The fit is A1. There's no moving around. It just feels very, very good when holding this case, man. Even though it is bulky, it does feel very good. And like I said, holding it in the hand, it feels good. It feels sturdy. It feels like this bad boy is going to give me the charge I need. So we already got over the regular aesthetics of the case, man. Let's go ahead and talk about the actual case and how it performs. Now, when you charge this case, the case will program it. So you're going to charge the phone first. So when you charge this case up, you will charge the phone first. After your phone reaches 100%, then it's going to charge the case up. So that's how it works with this ZeroLemon. So say you're running low on battery life, and I'm pretty full right now, but I don't really think this battery has much left in it because I've been using this bad boy. So what you want to do is just power this on, and boom, my phone vibrated, 93% charged, and there it is. You can see the case is on and it is actually charging. Now flipping over on the bottom, I'm getting a low battery warning because once again, I think I forgot to charge this case up before I did the video, but it does have enough juice to power on and charge your device. So if you're out and about, man, and you want to charge this device, you want to use it and still do other things, press that button, charge it up. Now, here are my findings for this case. When I ran this down to 0%, it got me up to about 96, 95%. When I left it at 10%, I put this on at 10%, that got me to 100%. So I don't know if this a condition over time to make sure I get 100% every single time, but that was probably after about 3 cycles of this battery. If I got down to 10%, I can at least get back to 100, but if I drain it to 0%, then it would get right there at about 94, 95%, and then you know, it'll go ahead and cut off because you used all the battery in the case. But you already know with that XR, that is more than enough because the battery on the 10R is already beast, man. And then you slap this 5,000 milliamp hour battery case on it, that makes it that much better. I was able to go basically 2 days without charging this thing up, man. I went to work, did all with it, plugged it in. I mean, you know, it's just a good thing, man. Like, you do this and pop it in, you charge, that's your next day of usage. Like, this battery case is very good. If I had to run this case as a daily case, I honestly, straight up, would not have an issue with it because it feels that good in the hands. On the sides, it's like a texture material that really helps with grip. It just feels good. And to know that you have this battery power at your hand at the press of a button and you can just turn on and charge it, I mean, you can't beat that, man. So everybody out there that's like, you know, heavy duty material, heavy duty out there using your phone and you need that extra push in battery life, definitely check out the ZeroLemon 5000 milliamp hour battery, man. It can definitely do what it needs for you to do. When you're out and about, man, you need an extra charge, this thing delivers, man. Very nice job from ZeroLemon with this case. But of course, you know, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below for this case, man. And give this video, if you like it, give it a thumbs up, like, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, man. And I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Later.